Well, my name is Jill Knobeloch. I'm a web designer and a marketing strategist, and I'm working on launching a co-working space. A lot of folks really have been struggling to stay focused at home, and through the shutdowns with COVID, being able to get out of the house and work somewhere else just hasn't been an option. So one of my big focuses has been providing tools and resources to help people stay productive at home, myself included. I've struggled with a lot of this stuff too.
While working remote on the north side of Chicago, a bit far from downtown, there weren't many co-working spaces available.
So I had a day where it was just really getting on my nerves, and I started looking at real estate to see what that would look like. So I figured that we would start with the physical location, kind of get our membership going there, and then grow into a virtual capacity. But through COVID, it just kind of flipped the order that we wound up building in.
So the physical co-work space sort of took a back seat, and Jill focused more on building the virtual membership experience first. But can you really co-work entirely online?
So virtual co-working sessions are a great way to have a little bit of external accountability with other folks that you have coordinated with and bonded with and created a connection. It creates times that are set aside on your calendar that you know Tuesday mornings, I'm going to go and co-work with these people, and they know when I don't show up that I'm slacking off.
Turns out a wide variety of people utilize this model.
We have a lot of solopreneurs who are starting a business. And then we also have some remote workers. A lot of folks have just really found value in that external accountability.
And site members get a whole lot more than just those Zoom work sessions. Members can check in on each other and have a private Slack community. There's also monthly chats centered around a theme, anything from SEO to mindfulness, and recordings of monthly lunch and learns are added to the members-only resource library. This also includes downloads that go along with the themes, like PDFs, spreadsheets, and in the future, things like Canva templates and more. And despite already offering a ton of value, as with many membership sites, there are plans to expand GrapeSeed Collective.
And in the future, I'm looking forward to having some larger tiers for a membership as well.
In the future, Jill hopes to offer a physical co-working space membership, online group coaching, and a more exclusive mastermind group.
I think that scaling into multiple tiers with MemberPress, I haven't done it yet, but it seems like it's going to be super straightforward and simple. But that was definitely a consideration when I bought into MemberPress, was how to scale.
Not only can MemberPress make scaling an online business easy, but it's simple to get up and running too. It turned out to be a natural fit for building the GrapeSeed membership community.
I just wanted something that I could get off of the ground. And with my background in web design and development, MemberPress made a lot of sense. It was a very affordable option. I work with WordPress anyway, and it was a really easy plugin to get started and just kind of roll with. I did look at a few different platforms to try to see what we could provide to our members, whether it's courses or downloads or actual community to interact, trying to minimize the effort that I have to put in. So like the automated billing and not having to worry about how people are logging in or what they have access to, just being able to put content up, kind of set permissions and restrictions as needed, and just kind of like let it ride. Which I'll say that it is very nice with MemberPress. Once somebody stops paying, I don't have to go in and remove them from their permissions. That's all just kind of plugged in together already. And so it really made sense for me between cost effectiveness, being able to build what I want. I tend to want to build things from the ground up. So MemberPress gave me a lot of flexibility to actually design and build exactly how I wanted it to be.
Check out GrapeSeedCollective.com to learn more, and be on the lookout for that physical co-working space in the future.
If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.